We're testing a theory. Hashtag winging it with Huda. Mikhail's given me an idea, which I'm testing with this baked avocado. And then I've got another idea, which I'm testing. Slice an avocado in half. Ooh, perfect avocado. You're onto something. So I think Mikhail's definitely getting warmer. Yes.
Oh, I was right.
You're not, there's no right or wrong here. We'll be right back with a new and improved version of Mikhail's theory. Hashtag winging it in the kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a baked avocado. We're doing something a bit different to it. This is not our highlight. Our highlight is the delicious Basturma that's going to cover this avocado and be beautiful and crispy on the outside while it bakes. And then there's gonna be a little surprise on the inside, a nice runny egg to have a beautiful keto meal sitting right here on our beautiful bed of salad. What we wanna do first is cut our avocado in half. Be just a bit careful while you do that. I've got my soft boiled egg here and I want to measure the cavities to make sure that that soft boiled egg is going to fit nicely in this avocado. So we just want to take out some of the avocado very carefully and subtly so you don't ruin it. So with the soft boiled egg, all I did was boil an egg for 4 minutes because it is going to sit inside the avocado and the avocado is going to bake. And we want that nice runny yolk texture. Keep measuring your avocado to make sure you get a nice fit, just slightly more, and then we're good to go. What do you reckon? Good? Now comes the hard part of peeling the avocado so that we don't ruin it. There's one half. Now we'll transfer this egg. Okay, so we've got our 2 halves peeled and we can just close that together. What we want to do is we want to sit this avocado up. So we want to cut a little base for it so that it sits down nicely, but be very careful not to cut where the cavity is. Just a small cut like that. As you can see, it's flat surface now. And then we're going to wrap our egg and avocado in the Basturma and try and keep it fairly tight if you can. Okay, and tuck in the ends just at the base there. What I want to do with this is I want to rub it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil because I want to help that Basturma to crisp up while it's baking in the oven. So we're all systems go now. Here's the trickiest part. Throw it in the oven. Check on it in about 5 to 7 minutes and see how it goes. You want this outside nice and crispy and you'll have a beautiful, nice, soft avocado and soft boiled egg in the center. Okay, moment of truth. Well, it held its shape straight out. That makes me super excited. I'm gonna quickly dress this with a little bit of olive oil and some salt. And it's time to cut this baby up. With the Basturma, we're gonna lay it on its side to make this a little bit easier. And just go through. You can hear that crispiness. Oh, yes. What would you say? Success, and that's how it's done, winging it with Huda.